Some people think skincare is just for girls. Okay, then which one of these two guys do you think women are more likely to notice? Exactly, the second one. Because when your face looks clean and fresh, everything changes. People take you more seriously, women actually notice you, and you start feeling confident every time you look in the mirror. A good face doesn't just make you attractive, it makes you feel like the main character in your own life. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to get that glass skin glow at home in just 21 days. Let's start. Step 1. Improve your circulation. Good skin starts with good blood flow. When you massage your face daily, it improves circulation, meaning more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells. This makes your skin look alive, firm, and glowing from the inside out. That's exactly why big celebrities spend thousands on facial massages, because it helps their skin look fresh even without makeup or filters. Here's how you can do it at home. After washing your face, apply a few drops of face oil or moisturizer and gently massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Use upward circular motions from your jawline to your cheeks and then from your nose towards your temples. Do this every night before sleeping, and within a week you'll notice a natural brightness that no cream can fake. It's like giving your skin a small workout. Step 2. Detox your skin from the inside. It doesn't matter how much you wash your face from the outside. If your digestion is weak and your body is full of toxins or dehydrated, no skincare routine will help. So every morning, drink a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach. It helps flush out toxins, improves digestion, and supports your liver, which directly helps clear your skin. You can also make it more refreshing by adding cucumber slices, mint leaves, or a pinch of Himalayan salt. This not only hydrates you better, but also adds minerals your skin loves. Do this daily, and you'll start noticing your skin looking less dull and more radiant over time. Remember, when your body is clean on the inside, your skin naturally glows on the outside. Step 3. Cleanse properly. Now let's talk about the most basic yet most powerful habit. Cleansing. If your skin isn't clean, no toner, serum, or cream will work. Cleansing removes all the dirt, oil, sweat, and pollution that sit on your face and make your skin look rough. But the secret is using the right face wash for your skin type. Here's how to find your skin type. Wash your face with any mild cleanser. Don't apply anything for 1 hour. After an hour, if your skin feels tight and dry, you have dry skin. If it feels greasy or slippery, you have oily skin. If your T-zone, your forehead and nose feels oily but the rest is dry, you have combination skin. Now use the right cleanser. For oily skin, try a foaming cleanser or one with salicylic acid. For dry skin, go for a gentle hydrating face wash. For combination skin, a hydrating cleanser works well. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night. That's enough. Over-cleansing strips your natural oils and weakens your skin barrier. Remember, clean doesn't mean dry. It means balanced. Step 4. Keep it hygienic. Most people skip this step and that's why they never see real results. You can have the best skincare routine, but if your environment is dirty, your skin will keep breaking out. Think about it. You touch your face after touching your phone, steering wheel, gym equipment, or your keyboard. All of these carry bacteria that end up clogging your pores. So, here are some hygiene rules you must follow. Don't touch your face with dirty hands. It spreads oil and bacteria. Wash or change your pillowcases twice a week. Clean your phone screen daily with a soft cloth or wipe. Avoid leaning your face on your hands or touching pimples. And never ever sleep without washing your face, no matter how tired you are. These tiny changes seem small, but they can literally transform your skin in a month. Hygiene is the secret weapon most people ignore. Step 5. Stay hydrated. You can't have glass skin if your body is dehydrated. When your body lacks water, your skin cells shrink. That's what makes your skin look rough, dull, and tired. So make sure you're drinking 2 to 3 liters of water every single day. But instead of just plain water, try adding natural hydration boosters. Drink coconut water, which is full of electrolytes and antioxidants. Or drink cucumber-infused water throughout the day. It keeps your body cool and your skin fresh. Also, avoid too much caffeine or sugary drinks, as they dehydrate your skin faster. Your goal should be simple. Keep your skin cells full of water so they reflect light better. That's literally how glass skin shines. So if you want that clear glass-like glow, you don't need 10 expensive products or fancy facials. You just need to fix your daily habits. Massage your face, detox from the inside, cleanse gently, stay hygienic, and stay hydrated. Do this for 21 days straight, and I promise your skin will start to look like glass. If you want more videos like this in the future, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.